So today we're going to look at slope, and there's a lot of ways to look at slope. You've probably seen many of these formulas over the years. You can call it the rise over the run, which is like the up-down stuff divided by the left-right stuff. The change in y over the change in x, same idea. Change in the y value, which is vertical, and the change in the x value, which is horizontal. Or you could literally, get deeper into what this change means and actually use the coordinates of the points. So if the points are x2, y2, and x1, y1, you would do y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So again, these are just three different ways to say the exact same thing. All right, so a quick check. And this is just showing like the way that lines kind of look. If you have a slope that's positive, as you go left to right, this thing goes up. So a positive slope always looks like this. A negative slope, as you go left to right, goes down. So it looks like that. A zero slope is perfectly horizontal, which my drawing's not perfectly horizontal, but you get the idea. And an undefined slope is one that is perfectly vertical. It's undefined because there is no change in x, so you'd be dividing by 0, which you can't do. And for some helpful reminders here, which hopefully you guys have already learned before, parallel lines. Parallel lines always have the same slope. So two lines that are parallel will have the exact same numerical value for the slope. Perpendicular lines, on the other hand, have opposite reciprocal slopes. And what this means is the opposite portion means change the sign. So like positive versus negative. If the original slope was positive, the new one's negative. And reciprocal means flip the fraction. So a few examples would be like if I have a 3/5, 3/5 is perpendicular to change the sign, so make it negative, and then flip it, -5/3. Or -7/2 is perpendicular to 2/7. Or 1/2 is perpendicular to -2/1 or just -2.